What's up guys, Kojina Racing here with another awesome video. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm Kojina Racing. I do a lot of car related stuff, especially on BMW 335i. Here's my BMW 335i. And today we're gonna be installing the push start button red. The smoke piece right here. It's gonna make the interior of the car much nicer. I'm gonna show you how to remove the trim and put it back together. Coming up. So the first thing you want to make sure you have is the installation toolkit. I buy this one on AutoZone for $10, so it's very cheap and it comes with a lot of stuff. So make sure you have that so you can remove the trim without damaging. And also you want to make sure that you start from the outside all the way to this side over here where it's the push start button. Don't try to start over here because you're gonna end up breaking something because it's very uncomfortable because of the steering wheel and everything. So just start from this side. There's gonna be a couple clips, one over here, I think, one over here. I'm gonna be taking it out. I'm gonna show you where are the clips so you can do it yourself. All right, final look so you can see how it looks now.
Meanwhile,
so what I'm doing now is I'm putting this tool right here down, and with this one I'm making force over here so we can get loose the clips that is over here. Okay, then we're gonna do the same with the other one that is around here, then the other one around here, all the way to the end. So guys, I'll put you over there on the sunroof so you can see me doing it. I already got loose these clips over here on the corner, so I'm gonna keep doing it all the way to the other side. There we go. Now we have to be careful over here. Well, next to the push start button, be careful because you're gonna have wires over there. So keep taking it out. Easy. You don't want to break anything. There we go. So it's already removed all the way, but you want to be careful because I'm gonna show you right now. See, you got some wires over there for this button, so you don't want to put it all the way. Now I already take out the push start button. I'm gonna show you. You got two clamps in here. Let me turn on the light. There's two clamps. You press both and then it comes right off from here. You just spray off. Then you have to take out the ring. It's easy. You have a couple clamps too. With your own finger you can just twist it a little bit, not too hard because you can break it. And then what I'm gonna do is with a flat head screwdriver, I'm gonna take out the push start button over here. So if you can see on the camera, but I got one pin over here, another one over here. So there are like 4 of them. So you're gonna take the flathead screwdriver and carefully you wanna do it. Let me move the camera a little bit. Okay. So there's one pin over here. Okay, that's off. This one is off. You have to do it carefully, guys. Okay, you don't want to break the pins. There we go. It's out. There you have it, guys. Now you want to go and put the new one. So how do you know now which one goes on top? If you try to do this, it's not going in. You got a long piece over here. That part goes over here on top. All right, so that way you're gonna always put it straight, the long part on the biggest hole over here. All right, guys, so now we take the other one and we put it straight. Okay, there we go. Look at that, it looks amazing right now, guys. What do you guys think? Beautiful. Wow, I love it. I'm thinking, I don't know what you guys think. Should I paint this ring black? Yeah, I think I'm gonna paint it black. I think I have some paint over there, like plastic or something. I'm gonna paint it black.
One hour later.
So guys, it's pretty much done, everything already. I'm just waiting for the paint to dry. Sorry, they're calling me. Every time I do a video, man, every time. Carlos again, yeah. So I'm sorry about that. Yeah, I know it's dark already. I was waiting for the paint to, you know, dry out. So yeah, it's pretty simple, the thing that you gotta do. I don't know if you can see. Let me turn on the lights on my cell phone. Okay, so see this is the clip right here. The clip goes in that little hole right there. That's why you want to start from that, and then the other one's over here right next to the AC duction space. The other one is right here, and the last one, no, that one right here, and then the last one over there next to the push start button. So yeah, just you gotta do a little force over here by hand when you are taking it out. With your hand, pull out a little bit, not too hard, and then with the tools that you have over there, the blue one right here, this one, just squish it on the bottom and twist it up a little bit, and it should come right off. Then goes to the next one, and then the next one. So it's pretty simple, guys, to take out the push button. It's still not dry, so I don't want to touch it. Just have two clips on the sides. You push those clips, and the push button come right this way, you know, to the front. And then just take out all the small little clips that it has. It's pretty simple, guys. Now I'm gonna put everything back together, and I'm wait for the push start button to dry out the paint. And yeah, tomorrow with the daylight, I'm gonna show you the finished job, the finished product, so you can guys see it. Okay.
Tomorrow for sure.
What's up, guys? So as you can tell, it's the next day. I just get out of work, but I just want to show you the final product over here. So just remember to start from the right side over there of the door and keep working yourself in. Okay, there's gonna be one pin on the right of the edge over there, one pin right after the AC vents, and then the other pin is gonna be before the AC vents, and then I think it's one behind the buttons over here, and the other one's all the way over here on the end. So it's very simple, very easy to do. Just make sure to buy the plastic tools that I showed you at the beginning of the video, so you don't scratch all the wood or the plastic over here of the car. So make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, guys, hit the like button over there, let me know. And comment down below what you think, guys. It's very simple. If you have any question or something, just ask me, okay? See you on the next video. What?